Hello students, today I am going to give you a revision for your March month examination. Choose a correct answer. Dash are the states of matter. Dash are the states of matter. Solid, liquid, gas are the states of matter. Solid, liquid, gas are the states of matter. Then second one, dash does not mix with water. Dash does not mix with water. Vinegar, lemon juice, kerosene, tomato juice. Kerosene. Kerosene does not mix with water. Then third one, running water possesses dash. Running water possesses kinetic energy. Running water possesses kinetic energy. Dash requires wind energy. Dash requires wind energy. Parachute. Parachute requires wind energy. Then fifth one, dash is a natural fiber. Dash is a natural fiber. Rayon, cotton, nylon, polyester. Cotton is a natural fiber. Cotton is a natural fiber. Then sixth one, dispersal of seed by water is known as hydrochory. Dispersal of seed by water is known as hydrochory. Then seventh one, jute fiber is obtained from stem. Jute fiber is obtained from stem. Then eighth one, male reproductive organ of the flower is androecium. Male reproductive organ of the flower is androecium. Then ninth one, pollination takes place by wind in grass. Pollination takes place by wind in grass. Then fill in the blanks. Paddy grows well in dash soil, clay soil. Paddy grows well in clay soil, clay, clay. Then second one, ginning is done to separate dash from the seeds. Ginning is done to separate raw fibers from the seeds. RAW, raw, FIB, RES, raw fibers. Then third one, dash is used as a sweetener instead of sugar syrup. Dash is used as a sweetener instead of sugar syrup. Corn, 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 corn. Then fourth one, autochory is known as dash. Autochory is known as self-dispersal method. Self-dispersal method. DISPERL. DISPERSAL, dispersal. DISPERSAL, dispersal. Then fifth one, dash is obtained from outer covering of coconut. Coir fiber. Coir fiber is obtained from outer covering of coconut. COIR, coir fiber, FIBRE. Then sixth one, woolen clothes are manufactured from dash. Woolen clothes are manufactured from animals. Woolen clothes are manufactured from animals. Then seventh one, the soil which contains bigger sized particle is dash. The soil which contains bigger sized particle is sandy soil. Sandy soil. Then eighth one, synthetic fiber is also called dash. Synthetic fiber is also called man-made fiber. Synthetic fiber is also called man-made fiber. Then match the following. Coconut, dispersal by water. Coconut, dispersal by water. Yarn, ginning. Yarn, ginning. Third one, earthworm, vermicompost. Third, earthworm, vermicompost. Fourth one, windmill, electrical energy. Electrical energy. Windmill, electrical energy. Torchlight, light energy. Torchlight, light energy. Then sixth one, water and dam, potential energy. Water and dam, potential energy. Then seventh one, bee, honey. Bee, honey. Then eighth one, jute, stem. Jute, stem. Then next one, write true or false. Write true or false. Table is a household good. True. Table is a household good. True. Then second one, beans and peas are pulses. True. Beans and peas are pulses. True. Then third one, cotton balls contain jute fiber. Cotton balls contain jute fiber. False. Cotton balls contain jute fiber. False. Then fourth one, dicotyledons have seeds with one cotyledon. False. Dicotyledons have seeds with one cotyledon. False. Then fifth one, the unit of energy is joule. True. The unit of energy is joule. True. Then sixth one, heat energy cannot be produced by friction. False. Heat energy cannot be produced by friction. False. Then seventh one, the cell which results after fusion of the gametes is called as zygote. True. The cell which results after fusion of the gametes is called zygote. True. Then eighth one, sandy soil cannot fit closely together. True. Sandy soil cannot fit closely together. True. Then find out the form of energy possessed by the following things. A rock on the top of the hill, potential energy. A rock on the top of the hill, potential energy. A rolling ball, kinetic energy. A rolling ball, kinetic energy. Third one, charcoal, chemical energy. Charcoal, chemical energy. Then fourth one, waterfalls, kinetic energy. Waterfalls, kinetic energy. Battery, chemical energy. Battery, chemical energy. Then first answer briefly. First one, what is known as skinning? What is known as skinning? The raw fibers are separated from the seeds by a process known as skinning. The raw fibers are separated from the seeds by a process is known as ginning. Then name 6 whole grains: wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley, millets. Name 6 whole grains: wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley, millets. Then fourth one, what is known as vermicompost? What is known as vermicompost? The process of decomposing biodegradable waste by earthworms is known as vermicompost. The process of decomposing biodegradable waste by earthworms is known as vermicompost. Then fourth one, mention 2 uses of light energy. Mention 2 uses of light energy. First one, we are able to see objects with the help of light energy. A, we are able to see objects with the help of light energy. B, plants use light energy to synthesize their food. Plants use light energy to synthesize their food. Then C, with the help of light energy, our skin is able to synthesize vitamin D. With the help of light energy, our skin is able to synthesize vitamin D. Then next one, state the law of conservation of energy. State the law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. One form of energy is converted into another form of energy. One form of energy is converted into another form of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. One form of energy is converted into another form of energy. Then sixth one, how soil is formed. How soil is formed? Soil is formed by the breaking of rocks by the action of wind, water and climate. The mixture of rock particles and humus is called the soil. How soil is formed? Soil is formed by the breaking of rocks by the action of wind, water and climate. The mixture of rock particles and humus is called the soil. Then seventh one, what is energy? Energy is defined as capacity to do work. Energy is defined as capacity to do work. Then eighth one, define pollination. Define pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of a flower is called pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of a flower is called as pollination. The ninth one, what are synthetic fibers? What are synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are made by human beings with the help of chemical process. Synthetic fibers are made by human beings with the help of chemical process. Hence, they are called as synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. Next one, answer in detail. Discuss briefly on the three states of matter. A matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter can exist in three physical states: solid, liquid, and gas. It is made up of molecules, and the molecules are made up of atoms. It is made up of molecules, and the molecules are made up of atoms. First, we see about the solid. In solid, the molecules are very closely arranged. Solids are incompressible. Incompressible. They have definite shape, size, and volume. They have definite shape, size, and volume. Liquid. In liquid, molecules are loosely packed. Molecules are loosely packed. Hence, liquids are negligibly compressible. Hence, liquids are negligibly compressible. They have definite volume but no definite shape and size. They have definite volume but no definite shape and size. Gas. In gases, molecules are very loosely packed. Molecules are very loosely packed. Hence, gases are highly compressible. Hence, gases are highly compressible. The next detailed answer. Explain the types of mechanical energy. Explain the types of mechanical energy. Energy possessed by an object due to its position is called as mechanical energy. Energy possessed by an object due to its position is called mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be classified into two: kinetic energy and potential energy. Mechanical energy can be classified into two: kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy. Energy possessed by a moving object is known as kinetic energy. Energy possessed by a moving object is known as kinetic energy. Example, moving car. Potential energy. Energy possessed by an object which is at rest. Energy possessed by an object which is at rest is known as a potential energy. Example, water in the dam. Next, you have to draw the electrical appliances: fridge, washing machine, and iron box. Draw it neatly. Then, next you have to draw the flower and write the parts of it. Draw it neatly and label the parts without any spelling mistake. Go through the revision and score good marks.